Hi, grade 2 Qatari syllabus. Today it will be the last unit in your book Top Stars, grade 2. But before I will go to the last unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Here is the last lesson in your book Top Stars. The last module in your book Top Stars, grade 2. Let's read this topic. What I eat. I think this unit is related to the previous unit, which we talk about food. Here, this topic is what I eat. Let's go to know more about this topic. Here we have some new vocab. Let's learn it together. Here we have morning, evening, latest. Let's go to read this text. It's time for breakfast. Good morning. It's time for breakfast. There is some milk. So here I would like to say something related to the grammar grade 2, which is the uncountable nouns. Milk is uncountable nouns. So related as what? Related as singular, not plural. So here we say there is. This is the abbreviation of is. So here milk is related because it's countable noun. Must be related as singular. So we say there is some milk related as singular. Let's continue the rest of the text together. Here we say there is some milk, some cereal, and some eggs too. Let's make breakfast. Okay, here we talk about the breakfast meal. Let's make breakfast. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Good evening. It's time for dinner. There is some lettuce. There are some tomatoes and some onions too. Let's make a salad. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So here we talk about what? Here we talk about breakfast, and here we talk about dinner. Okay. So here is which picture here is milk. This one. Cereal. Which one cereal here? This one is cereal. So I put this is number 2. Eggs. It will be here. Eggs number 3. Lettuce number 4. Here is number 4. Here tomatoes number 5, and 6 is onion. So here we know the words here in this box. Let's go to another one here. To another item in this unit, on this model, in this module, there is some lettuce. Here is some lettuce. Okay, related as here is related as singular, and here is some lettuce. Here is coconut. Here is coconut. Pancakes. Here is coconut. Pancakes. Omelette. Pineapple. Peas. Let's repeat together. Coconut. Here is coconut. Pancakes. Omelette. Pineapples and peas. Let's read this text together. Look, there is some cheese in my omelette. If there any cheese in your omelette, Aisha. So here we say, here is the difference between some and any. Any used, there is a rule here that we will know later, that any used with question form and negative form. Okay, so when we talk about negative form and question form, we use any. Some used with what? In affirmative form. In affirmative form, offers and request. Affirmative form used in affirmative form. In negative, in affirmative form, offers and request. I would like to say offers and requests. I have a mistake here. Here is offers and request. Offers and requests. Okay. All these are offers and requests. All these are the uses of some. Here is the difference between some and any. So any used in two forms, in question form and negative form. Some used for affirmative form, for offers and requests. This is the difference between some and any. Okay, let's continue the rest of our unit today. Here we say, if there any cheese in your omelette, Aisha? No, there isn't, Noura. But no, there isn't, Noura. But there are some peas and tomatoes. Oh no, I don't like peas. And now let's have coconut. and pineapple pancakes, yummy. Yummy means this something has a good taste. Okay, yummy is used to describing the good taste of this food. Okay, here we say, is there any cheese in your omelet? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Let's go to another one here. I would like to explain quickly because I would like to give you a brief of the focus of things that we studied in the book. Okay, so here I give you I explain the lesson as a whole in your book, in your textbook, and when I would like to study the things that it will be in your exam in the booklet, we will return to the exercise book to know the things that we make a focus on, because these things must be in the exam. Okay, it will be in the exam. Okay, let's continue the rest of our unit today. Here we say ice cream, soft drink, lemonade, sweets, and burger. So here I would like to repeat with me the words here that we take in this unit. We have here we learned here some we learned some vocab. I would like to remember with you again to note. Okay, here we know, here in this unit we learn some vocab. Let's learn it together. Morning, evening, latest. Coconut, pancakes, omelette, pineapple, and peas. We have here another words here to be here: ice cream, soft drink, lemonade, sweets, and burger. Let's read this text together to know more about it. I have got some ice cream and sweets. Do you want some sweets? So here we use this called what? This called offer. This called offer. Okay, this is an offer. Okay, offer. So here we make an offer to their friends Karim and Adam and saying, do you want some sweets? So the answer would be no, thanks, I don't want any sweets. So here any used with what? With the negative form like this. Okay, you must know this. Do you want some pizza or burger? I want some pizza, but not too much. So here we use some here is used here with offers, used here some here with offers, and used here, and here we use it in what? In this called affirmative form. This called affirmative form. So we use here in affirmative form. We use here some with affirmative form and offers. Okay, as we know here. Okay, so the answer it will be here. Karim and Adam say no, I don't. I want some pizza, but not too much. No, I don't. Here is pizza. Here is pizza, and he's saying some of one of them saying no, I don't. Let's go to another one here. To the rest of this dialogue. Here we say, I want an apple and a banana. I haven't any apples or bananas. Oh, my tummy. Next time, eat some apples and bananas. Some apples or bananas. Some apples or bananas. Here we say, do you want some orange juice? Yes, please. I like orange juice. No, thanks. I don't want any orange juice. So here we use some in the offer and use any with negative form. I would like to know this. Let's go to another words here. Beer, water, glasses. Glass here is singular and glasses is plural. We have here glasses singular. I give you the simple. S means singular. P means plural. Okay, so this is the symbols of singular and plural. Here is cupcakes and pizza. Let's go to another item here. Here we say, how much milk is there? 3 glasses. How many pizzas are there? There are 2 pizzas. So here we use how many or how many to ask about what? About the numbers. We use how many to ask about what? Ask about numbers. About numbers. And here we ask about the quantity. The quantity here, ask about the quantity. When you say how much, ask about the quantity. Quantity. About the quantity. Okay. You say how much milk is there? 3 glasses. Okay, to be here 3 glasses. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have dates and jam. This is the rest of the words. Okay, healthy breakfast. Let's know the healthy breakfast. Last class we talk about what healthy and unhealthy food. In the last unit we talk about healthy and unhealthy food. Here we talk about what? About healthy breakfast. My name is Jason. I'm from Qatar. For breakfast, I have eggs, bread, and jam, and milk or orange juice. Sometimes I have dates too. It's healthy. For breakfast, I have cereal and with milk and a sandwich. For breakfast, I have eggs with bread and jam. Let's read this text together. Here is let's cook. Let's read the text together. Are there any vegetables in your soup? Rima, yes, there are. Sahar, you have got some chicken, some tomatoes, and a pineapple. What are you making? Yum. Let's see. Well done, Rima. Your soup is very nice. Thanks, Mrs. Aisha. Sahar, let's cook together. You will be better. Oh, okay, Mom. Here is we have Rima. Here is the characters of this dialogue to be Rima, Sahar, Mrs. Aisha, and Sahar's mom. At home, Sahar and her mom cook and cook and cook. How many eggs are there, Mom? Sahar, you have got some flour. Sahar, you have got some flour, some milk, some chocolate, and some eggs. What are you making? Let's see, Mrs. Aisha. Do you want some chocolate pancakes, Mrs. Aisha? Yes, please, Mom. This is so tasty. This is so tasty. Great job, Sahar. The value here of this unit is to be work together to be better. We will say here cooperation. We say in another meaning. We say cooperation. Okay, cooperation. We're saying here cooperation. This is the meaning of working together to be better. We say here cooperation. This is another meaning of this sentences. Okay, of this sentence. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here is a project. I will leave it to you to do it here. In the park. Let's play in the park all day. Let's play all day. Look, a horse is on the hay. Tom, look at Tom. He is not quick. He is sick. Come on, Tom, kick the ball, kick. Here is the dialogue. Here, here's text here. Let's read it together. My name is Sarah. I like sandwiches, but there isn't any bread. I want some pizza, but there isn't any cheese. Oh, there are apples, pears, and a mango. We know. I think we know pears before, and we know apples and a mango. I can make fruit salad. Okay. By this part, we end here from this. From this unit. Let's go to answer the question depend on this module. In this module, we have some words here. Here we say, what's in Ali's salad? In salad, when we make a salad, we have bread, we have what? We have lettuce, we have tomato, sometimes we have onions, we have here carrot, we have here, this is the things that we see in salad. Lettuce, tomato, sometimes we have onions. Here's, I think, cheese, maybe cheese, okay? Carrot. I think I think some people will put the cheese on salad. I think so. It can be available. Okay. Breakfast and dinner. So here we say what's for breakfast and what's for dinner. The food that we eat in breakfast and the food we eat in dinner. In breakfast there is some milk. There are some eggs. Dinner there is some lettuce. There are some tomatoes. Let's go to another one here. There are some peas in my omelet. There is some chocolate on my pancakes. I think you are in Qatar put the peas on omelet, but in Egypt not. I think Egypt can't do the omelet with peas. But it's I know that in Qatar we can do this food, can do this style of food like this. Okay. There are some peas in my omelet. There is some chocolate in my pancakes. Let's go to another question here. Here we say some milk on their space. We use there is or there are. Some milk on the table. As we know, as we learned during the lesson, I told you we learned that when we talk about uncountable noun like milk, like water, like these words, we put what? We put is or are, we put is. So the answer here it will be there is. We must take care when you selecting the exam, because choice is easy, but you must think before you selecting the correct one. Okay. There any some eggs in the salad. So here eggs is plural. We say is are, not is. Another sentence here. There is or are 3 pineapples on table. It will be are. Why? Because here pineapples here. It will be what? It will be here plural. So I put are because you have here pineapples is plural. Let's go to another one. There any peas here is plural. So I put what? I put are. Place any cheese in the salad. So here cheese is what? Is uncountable. And I know that when we talk about uncountable nouns, I use what? I treat it as what? As uncountable noun, treated as singular. So as singular. So I put here is. Okay. This is the rule that we must know. Okay. Cheese is uncountable, so we treat it as singular by putting is as a verb. Putting verb to be singular, verb to be, not plural. Let's go to another item here. Here we say there is peace, some or any. As we told you before, some used with what? With affirmative, offers, and affirmative offers and requests. Any used with negative and questions. We must take care when you use some and any. Uses of some, it would be affirmative, request, and offers. Any with questions and negative. Let's know this in these sentences. There is cheese in my salad. So here is this sentence is what? Is affirmative form. So I put here some. There are pineapples on table. This is affirmative form. This is affirmative form. So I put here some. Are there spaced onions in omelet? Here is the question. I put some or any. Without thinking, I put any. Is there spaced chocolate in pancake? So it will be any. Why? Because it's a question. Are there spaced pieces in spaghetti? It will be here any. Let's do this exercise. Is there any cheese in the basket? No, there isn't. Are there any eggs in the basket? Yes, there are. Is there a coconut? Is there a coconut in the basket? Yes, there is. Are there any pineapples in the basket? No, there aren't. Let's go to another question here in this part. Here we say the coconut or ice cream. No, it's ice cream. So you see here, we can see the picture and we know if coconut or all of us know the coconut. So here not a coconut. It will be here ice cream. Here is this omelet or pineapple. No, it's pancakes or omelet. No, it's pancake. I'm sorry, I said the pineapple, not pineapple. Pancake, not pineapple. Burger or omelet? Burger. Sorry, burger. Burger, it's correct. Orange juice or soft drink? Soft drink. Here is lemonade or soup? It's lemonade. Is this chocolate or sweets? Sweets. And we have another meaning of sweets. It will be what? It will be what? It will be candy. Okay, can say sweets, or can say the sweets as candy. This is another word of sweets. Okay, say candy. Let's continue the rest of the our lesson. Here is salad. Here is lemonade. Here is chocolate. I think no, it's not chocolate. It's to be pancakes. Pancake here, a pancake, and there is ice cream. Let's continue the rest of this unit of the exercise. Depend on this unit. My name is Omar. I'm from Qatar. I like pancakes with bananas. Pancakes with bananas and chocolate. This is pancakes. I eat pancakes with cheese. I eat pancakes with cheese and eggs too. Here we say. Do you want some lemonade? Here is some lemon. We answer by yes or no. So we say here, do you want some lemon? I say here, yes, I do. Here is, do you want a burger? So the answer would be no, I don't. Oh, no, can say no, say yes, I do. Can say yes or do, yes or no. Here to be here, yes, 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 I do. So both it to be yes, I do. Here the answer here to be here, yes, I do, because he's the lemonade. Yes, I do. And here also it will be yes, I do. It will be here, yes, I do, because because we have here in the picture burger. So I say yes, I do. The answer it will be here, yes, I do. If this picture isn't a burger, is pancake. So I put what? I put no, I don't. Okay. If we don't have the burger, if we not have a burger, I say no, I don't. Okay. If there isn't a picture of burger. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the of our unit. Here we say, what if this is water? Here is cupcakes. Here is glass. Here is pear. All of us know pear. I think all of us like pear. Here is pizza. Let's go to another kind of fruits. Okay. Here we say, how much water is there? So here I ask about the quantity. It will be number B, 3 glasses. How many cupcakes are there? It will be here cupcakes. It will be, I can't count, I counted. So I put here, how many? Ask about numbers. Number E with number 2. How many cupcakes are there? It will be number E. How much milk is there? Number 3 by number A. For how many pears are there? It will be number 4 by number C. How many pizzas are there? Number 5 by number D. Here is, we say, here is a question structure, a question that for the formula of questions that we do. So here in this question, we practice on how to make a question. How many pairs are there? To be there are 2 pairs. Here is 2 pairs. So I put here, I ask by how many. And as we know before that, how many ask about what? Grade 2, repeat after me, ask about numbers. I have a videos on expressing the keyword question and the uses of it on my channel. You can revive it by going to the videos and revise what I told before. Okay, you can benefit from what we learned before. Okay, here we say how many here ask about numbers. We say how many cupcakes are there? There are 3 cupcakes. Let's continue the rest of our unit. Here we have here is in this module lesson and number. Here we say we have here we can say this is the breakfast. So it would be, I put 1. This is breakfast. We say dinner. Yeah, this no here we say breakfast. I think it's breakfast. Okay, breakfast. Here we say breakfast of Qatar. This is the breakfast of Qatar. Breakfast of United. I think this is the America. No, United Kingdom. Number 2. Here is also the United Kingdom. This one and this one. Okay. This is the famous breakfast of Qatar, and this is another kind of breakfast for another countries. Okay, so for other countries. Let's go to another one here. Here would be day. Day means during the morning. So it will be here day. Hey, this is hey. This is hey. This is play. So here the pronunciation it will be day, hey, and play. A-Y. A-Y, A-Y. This is the pronunciation of this. Let's space in the park. Play. The person is on the hay. Let's play in the park all the day, all day. Let's go to another one here. It will be here. Kick the ball. Quick, sick. Kick, quick, sick. This is the pronunciation of what? C-K. Kick, quick, sick. Repeat after me. Kick, quick, and sick. Ted is very kick. Ali isn't at school. He is sick. Space the ball, Omar kicks the ball. Let's go to another item here. Here we say fruit, food, and drinks. Here is the types of food. We write the fruits. We write here food and write the things that we drink. Okay, fruit. Which one fruit here is pineapple? You are clever people. Coconut, yes. Pear. Where is pear here? This is pear. So all these called fruit. Food. Which one is food here? Omelette. We have here pizza. We have here burger. All this food, yes. Drinks, water, water, another lemonade. We have another thing. We have water, lemonade, soft drink. All these cold drink, yes. Let's go to what is the recording about? Listen, here is the depend on listening, food or drinks. So the recording saying that the drinks, okay? This depends on recording or the listening from your teacher. The last item here in this unit, it will be read and tick the correct picture. Here we say, my name's Ahmed. I'm hungry. I want an omelette, but there aren't any eggs. There is some cheese. There is some cheese and tomatoes. I can make a sandwich. So which one is correct here in this picture? This number one, because he say he want to make an omelet, but there isn't any egg, so we can't make an omelet. So here make what? Make a sandwich. So Ahmed makes sandwich instead of omelet, because there isn't omelet. By this question, we end from our video. I would like to say that I end from the 5 modules. Next video, I will make you a revise. I hope to contact with me on the channel to send me any difficult questions that can't know, and I will apply any difficult question for you. I hope to benefit and enjoy from my videos. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.